Okay, friends, let's get back into probability. Yesterday, we established what the definition of probability was, which was awesome. Today, I want to get back into that and build upon that. What happens when you look at more than just one thing happening? Okay, so we're going to use, for starters, our buddies, the die, the coin, and a deck of cards, and we'll build it from there into more interesting things. And we'll eventually come back to Russian egg roulette, because I think you really enjoyed that. So for starters, let's look at the coin. Now, I know yesterday we did a lot of die rolling. Most of it was in Excel, if I remember correctly. And today what I want to do is I want to look at what happens if we stop right here. Now, I just rolled a 1. And you'll notice I rolled the 1 within a string of other die rolls. But I want you to just look at this one right here. Based on this 1, do you think the chance of rolling 1 again is the same or different than it was the moment before I rolled this one? The same or different? Write down your answer to that now. I'm going to keep rolling while you think about that. Okay, while you keep thinking about that. Now, no fair adjusting your answer now that you've... Oops, that hit the floor. Now that you've seen what actually happened on the die rolls, I want you to ask the question, given that this die roll happened this way, is the chance of that event happening again the same or different on the next roll? So scratch down your answer to that right now, and that'll be your first homework question answer. Okay, let's swap out a die for a coin. Okay, so a coin, as you remember, fair coin anyway, has got a tail side and it's got a head side. So I'm going to flip this coin, let it fall, and then bring it over here for y'all to see. That's a heads. Okay, I'll flip it again. That is heads. Flip it again. Okay, let's stop it here, and I've just flipped heads. Now, you may have noticed that there were 3 heads flipped in a row. Do you think the chance of flipping heads again is more likely, less likely, or just as likely as it's been for the past 3 flips? Scratch down your answer to that now.